So, along with networking, should always be cross training as well. Should always be willing to teach what you know if a person is willing to learn. And should always recognize that you can learn things from anybody, especially street people. And there's a lot of different kinds of street people. There's street people that aren't necessarily travelers. There's travelers that aren't necessarily street people. There's hippies. There's old RV people. There's rubber tramps people that live in their vehicles and go from spot to spot. There's hiking enthusiasts. There's backpackers that just kind of keep with that European vacation style backpacking. There's like full-time woodsmen, outdoorsman types. There's a grand variety of homeless people that have all sorts of backgrounds and varieties of lifestyle and ways of getting by, and all sorts of interesting tricks and skills. There's buskers, professional street performers, musicians and things, full-time beggars. You got your scammers, along with your legitimate panhandlers, and there's several varieties of that. You've got hitchhikers, you've got train hoppers. I've met people who were, boat travelers, lived on boats full time. There's people horseback. That's still a thing. People do that. Like I said, things have changed, but also in many ways they've stayed the same. RV, tiny home culture has expanded and in many ways become gentrified, but has also opened up a lot of access, and I think changed people's views about things a little bit. There's been a lot of progress. We still need to work on more, and constantly need to be learning from each other and accepting people, as they are. It doesn't mean we can't want to help people, but you have to take them in the situation they're in. Take people as they are, and you also have to accept sometimes that that's the way they want to be, and they're all right with that. There's always been this concept of ending homelessness, stopping it, and it's a good thing to strive for, to get the people that want housed, and the people that need helped, and to try to change society so poverty and homelessness aren't just a natural and unavoidable outcome of the system. But there's always going to be people that want to live outside. There's always going to be people that want to travel or live outside of the norm and do these other things. And for us, that's how we are, who we are. It's important to remember we're people too. We have things going on. We have needs. We have desires and dreams and aspirations. And our lives are rich because we experience great hardships at times because of the way we live and the way society views the way we live, but experience great joy, wonder also. It's worth it. So I hope you enjoy the ride.